Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you're here today. I have been very busy and my house is super trashed, so I thought I would just share with you the raw trashiness of it all and walk through and just let you see how messy it is. It always surprises me because I procrastinate and put off cleaning the house and stuff, and it only took me like a couple hours to do this, honestly, and I don't know why I waited around and didn't do it, but anyway, it was just a couple hours worth of work, and it felt so great after I had finished cleaning and everything was nice and fresh. I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure that you hit the like and the subscribe button and share my video with all your friends. I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you and your support of my channel. So does anybody else find cleaning your sink like super relaxing and satisfying, and just when you're rinsing that soap off and the new clean sink emerges, it's just so stinking satisfying? Let me know in the comments below if y'all enjoy cleaning your sink also. So as you can see, I've started adding just a tad bit of Valentine Day decor. I couldn't find a whole bunch that really just like spoke to me, and I kind of had to make do on a couple things. I did find a few things at Hobby Lobby, nothing at Walmart, and just a couple things at Dollar General. So let me know if your area was sold out of Valentine's Day things, or if they just didn't seem to have a whole bunch. Ours just seemed very like skimpy. The world has been such a scary place recently, just with the election and all the uncertainties that us as Americans, I don't think we've ever really faced before. I mean, there are things happening that I would have never dreamed that would happen in my lifetime or my children's lifetime. I mean, my daughter, she will hear the news or whatever, and she'll call me and say, Mama, are we okay? Are we okay, Mama? And I'm like, yes, babe, we're okay. God is going to protect us, and He has His hand over us, and we just need to look to Him to calm our fears and anxieties. My mother-in-law, Gwen Oakes, she wrote a poem, and I wanted to read it to you. It's called Turning Point, and I just thought it was just so appropriate for the anxieties that we're feeling today. It's, I stood alone upon a hilltop, full of doubt and dreaded fear. My aching heart was pounding wildly. Was there anyone to care? The road behind was rough and rocky, hardships strewn along the way. Many times my feet had stumbled as I traveled day to day. Oft I struggled with confusion. Oft my face was stained with tears as I prayed for understanding and scanning the memory of the past year. A road untraveled lay before me. Where does it lead, O Lord? I cried. Then I heard a gentle whisper, follow me and I'll be your guide. I just love that poem. I just thought it was so reminiscent of this past year, and it just let me know that we have hope. We have hope in Him, and He is there for us to calm our anxieties and fears. If y'all are needing prayer, please comment in the box below, and I have a ladies group that I'm a part of, and I will pray for you. These ladies will pray for you. You don't have to put any details. You can just put prayers, please, and I'll be happy to pray for you. So y'all can see that here I had changed my clothes. Y'all, on Monday, it was 81 degrees in Arkansas, okay? And then 2 days later, it was in the high 20s, and it was snowing all around us. It wasn't snowing here, unfortunately, but it was snowing an hour away. And so I had dressed that morning for a meeting and had on a sweater and nice clothes, and as I got to working, I was about to die. It was so hot. I cannot believe it was 81 degrees in December, but that's Arkansas weather. Thank y'all so much for hanging out until the end of this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe so you can get notifications for all my upcoming videos. My next video will be another declutter video. So stay tuned for that. See y'all next time. Bye.